Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2010 F-150. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to look at these tires. Brand new, you can still see the nubs on them there. This truck's got a nice lift kit on it. We're just going to come down the side, looking for any dents, stings, scratches. Little spot there. Nice set of step assists as well, helping you get in and out of this truck. Factory Ford wheels look great. And as we come around to the back, you'll notice it does have trailer tow. Just a really sharp truck. No dents to speak of, just a few little minor scratches. Looking at the interior, you do get full power, some memory settings here. It is a nice black leather seating. 86,387 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, CD, all your climate control functions here. You do get heated front seats, Microsoft Sync system, and then all the flooring surface is going to be black, great for not showing any staining. Looking in the back seat now, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the seats. No signs of any rips or tears back here. Tons of leg room in the back of the F-150. You do get rear air controls as well as an additional power port. This seat is a 60-40 split, so easily with one hand you can reveal a ton of extra cargo space. Spray-in bed liner, Line-X. One more look at the rear seat from the passenger side. You do get a sliding rear glass. We'll go ahead and flip this side of the 60-40 split too. We're going to finish up in the front passenger seat. Front passenger gets full power as well as driver in this model. One more look over that seating surface. Take one more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2010 Ford F-150.